Do you want to speak English in a simple, clear way? Listen carefully and practice. Opposite feelings in English with simple examples in sentences. Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
She is sad now.
She is sad now.
Hot,
Hot,
cold,
cold.
I feel hot.
I feel hot.
He is cold.
He is cold.
Hungry,
Hungry,
full.
full.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
She is full.
She is full.
Thirsty,
Thirsty,
not thirsty.
not thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
He is not thirsty.
He is not thirsty.
Sleepy,
Sleepy,
awake.
awake.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
She is awake.
She is awake.
Busy,
Busy,
free.
free.
He is busy.
He is busy.
I am free now.
I am free now.
Strong,
Strong,
weak.
weak.
I feel strong.
I feel strong.
She is weak.
She is weak.
Love,
Love,
hate.
hate.
I love my family.
I love my family.
He hates the noise.
He hates the noise.
Calm,
Calm,
nervous.
nervous.
I am calm.
I am calm.
She is nervous.
She is nervous.
Excited,
Excited,
bored.
bored.
We are excited.
We are excited.
He is bored.
He is bored.
Brave.
Brave.
Scared.
Scared.
He is brave.
He is brave.
The child is scared.
The child is scared.
Friendly.
Friendly.
Rude.
Rude.
They are friendly.
They are friendly.
She is rude.
She is rude.
Lucky.
Lucky.
Unlucky.
Unlucky.
He is lucky.
He is lucky.
She is unlucky.
She is unlucky.
Energetic.
Energetic.
Tired.
Tired.
He is energetic.
He is energetic.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Cheerful.
Cheerful.
Upset.
Upset.
She is cheerful.
She is cheerful.
I am upset.
I am upset.
Relaxed.
Relaxed.
Stressed.
Stressed.
He is relaxed.
He is relaxed.
I feel stressed.
I feel stressed.
Annoyed.
Annoyed.
Pleased.
Pleased.
I am annoyed.
I am annoyed.
She is pleased.
She is pleased.
Angry.
Angry.
Gentle.
Gentle.
He is angry.
He is angry.
She is gentle.
She is gentle.
Pain.
Pain.
Relief.
Relief.
I feel pain.
I feel pain.
He feels relief.
He feels relief.
Kind.
Kind.
Mean.
Mean.
She is kind.
She is kind.
He is mean.
He is mean.
Helpful.
Helpful.
Unhelpful.
Unhelpful.
They are helpful.
They are helpful.
He is unhelpful.
He is unhelpful.
Caring.
Caring.
Careless.
Careless.
She is caring.
She is caring.
He is careless.
He is careless.
Honest.
Honest.
Dishonest.
Dishonest.
I am honest.
I am honest.
He is dishonest.
He is dishonest.
Respectful.
Respectful.
Disrespectful.
Disrespectful.
I am respectful.
I am respectful.
She is disrespectful.
She is disrespectful.
Fair.
Fair.
Unfair.
Unfair.
He is fair.
He is fair.
She is unfair.
She is unfair.
Thankful.
Thankful.
Thankless.
Thankless.
I am thankful.
I am thankful.
He is thankless.
He is thankless.
Proud.
Proud.
Ashamed.
Ashamed.
He is proud.
He is proud.
She is ashamed.
She is ashamed.
Shy.
Shy.
Confident.
Confident.
I am shy.
I am shy.
I feel confident.
I feel confident.
Jealous.
Jealous.
Trusting.
Trusting.
I am jealous.
I am jealous.
She is trusting.
She is trusting.
Great job, my friends! Today you learned many opposites in feelings: happy and sad, calm and nervous, strong and weak, and many